Assalamualaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course outline: definition of creative drawing, history of modern drawing, creative drawing with still objects, creative drawing with figure, composition with the environment, detailed study of human figure and environment. Students are encouraged to experiment with media and themes of their own choice. Any social representation. As we have covered first 6 topics in previous lectures, so our theory is completed. Now we are going toward practical. Dear student, next time I will take your class on Google Meet. You will have to some material for practical work. Students, your next topic is: students are encouraged to experiment with media and themes of their own choice. First of all, you should to have know about media and themes. Now, what is media? Media is a communication outlets or tools used to store and deliver information or data. Dry media, wet media, digital media, dry. Pencil, pen, crafty, charcoal, pastels. These are the medium. So drawing is a form of visual art in which a person uses various drawing instruments to mark paper or another two-dimensional medium. Instruments include graffiti, pencil, pen or ink brushes, wax color pencils, crayons, charcoal, chalk, pastel, various kind of erasers, markers, and electronic drawing. A drawing instrument releases a small amount of material onto a surface, leaving a visible mark. The most common spot for drawing is paper, although other materials such as cardboard, plastic, leather, canvas, and board may be used. Temporary drawing. Temporary drawings may be made on a blackboard or whiteboard or indeed almost anything. The medium has been a popular and fundamental means of public expression throughout human history. It is one of the simplest or most efficient means of communicating visual ideas. The wide availability of drawing instruments make drawing one of the most common artistic activities. Most people sketch with the dry media. So techniques within dry media: etching, cross etching, back and forth stroke, and stepping. These are the techniques within dry media. Themes in art. Themes is usually about life, society, or human nature, but can be any other subject. Themes are the fundamental or often universal ideas explored in our work. Themes are usually implied rather than explicitly stated. Themes in this set: religious themes of art, politics and social order, theme of art that involves societies, stories and histories, theme of art that involves stories, whether real or make believe, genres, scenes of everyday life, personal expression, fantasy, the natural world, art for art's sake. Drawing with themes. Advanced high art, experimental drawing. Some contemporary Pakistani artists who work in different media: Rashid Rana. Work in pixels. Maria work. Saeed Akhtar.